Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit and just make maybe, just wanna zoom out a little bit and check where are we coming from. Okay, so from the previous bear market, we did a wave 1, a wave 2, very nice third wave, fourth wave. Now, we are possibly still working into this 5 wave and into this 5th wave, I'm sorry. But it could be also finished because we did we can see a wave 1, wave 2, a potential wave 3, a wave 4, and another high for the 5th wave. Now, we honestly, I should have taken more profits here. I think I was blindsided by my greediness. But because we know that there is going to be, even if this is the end of the third wave, which I'm not saying, when I say third wave, this purple third wave here, it's the completion of all these potential 5 waves up. So we're going to have an A, a B, and a C. And yeah, so there is this possibility. Actually, I know what, I should put this label in purple. There you go. So this would be top of the third wave, worst case scenario. We had an A, B, C, and that would be maybe perhaps just the A wave. We're going to make a B wave, and after that 5 wave down. And this is how the price can go and reach lower levels. And when you hear, I don't know, $56,000 or $70,000 Bitcoin, well, this is the logic or the analysis behind that. Now, am I saying this is what we are doing? Well, who knows? I don't know. This could be just, the 4th wave uncompleted. I mean, this is now, working onto this 5th wave in red. But what happens if this 5th wave is not finished? And so we did, I don't know, maybe we did a diagonal, or we're just doing, an ABC or something like that. Very possible. So we could have said that this was an a 1, 2, 3, and all this is a major. Actually, I need to go and double check if we can do that. An A overshooting with B and a C, and actually this would be the 4th wave, and still going, still have room to go higher. Let's go and check out that because this is how we do it, right? We calculate the A waves. We check how high the B wave can go, and then we invalidate things if it doesn't go. So maximum B wave can go 1.38. I see band on. So this is a viable, borderline, really limit, but still there and feasible. And this could be a B wave. So A, B, and now working on the C. And you see, this is how it goes. Where for the moment, it's still unsure, unfortunately. But this is how it is. So 1, 2, 3, and maybe this is a 4th. Maybe I should label it so it's because I know out there sometimes it's not clear. I like to remove them because it free up the chart, but clearly sometimes maybe I forgot. I don't know. So this is the other scenario. So let me do it with the brush so it's really it's easier to follow. So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This is just the A overshooting wave B, and now we're doing the C, and this would be the 4th wave in white, and still going for this 5th wave. Now this 4th wave in white could be finished because okay, let me double check here. Let me do the ratio. Okay, so wave A, wave B, and let me add wave C left. Perfect. I'm going to label that as a white also. I'm going to remove some levels on top of that. And add others. 1.5, 1.2, and 1.618. Okay, there you go. Okay, so as you can see now, let me readjust this one here. Put it on the left side, and I think I can at least get out the 1-to-1 ratio. All right, so this is, for the moment, yeah, this could be the end of this fourth wave in white here, and we went a little bit below the 1-to-1 ratio, even a little bit below the 1.05. Can we go lower? Yes, we can. And this is why, yeah, the 77,800 and the 74,184, those are very important, because those are, first of all, this is the level of the double bottom, pretty much here, right? Some confluence at that level. And after that, we do have, yeah, 70,000, 69,465. And because this, this third wave was pretty much high, there are different way of calculating. So this is one. The green one, it's another one, which it would just, I'm just counting all the 5-way up in red completed successfully. Let me try to put it here. Okay. And so the third wave would end here. And this could be just the A, because we can go so much lower to up to 56,761. So this could be the A. Maybe now we're working on a B side, on a B wave. So I want to zoom in on that. I don't know why I did change the count color here before in purple. I don't know what happened. Okay, so this could be just the A. Now maybe we're working on a B, and then so for me it's very important, if price reach, well, first of all, if it goes higher than 100k, maybe we're looking to something more bullish. But really, what would make the bullishness or the bearishness go away would be reaching really $112,760. That would really shift, or this would be a second hint that something more bullish is coming, and that would become my primary scenario. For the moment, I'm still looking for a lower price. We're missing one wave down. So we had an A, we had a B. Okay, so from here we had A, we had a B, and now 5-wave down, 1, 2, 3. And yeah, I still believe Bitcoin should go around 97,000 for this fourth wave in blue, and go lower here and possibly find support. Yeah, I would say honestly 79,000 would be great. Can it go lower? Yes, it can. I would emphasize after that on 74,000, 77,800, something like that. Those are the two following levels for extension of the C wave, right? When we calculate A wave to wave B. All right, so that's one. So this is scenario where could be fourth wave in white is finished, and then we go higher. And now possibly, I don't know, we're making a 1-2, and then we're going to go higher. Once again, we need clarity, and to have that, we need well, first of all, let me zoom in. It's going to be easier. So yeah, we have an ABC now. I do have several scenarios here. Maybe you already completed kind of a diagonal 5-way up, and this was an ABC possibly for a wave 2, but it's not 100% crystal clear. So this is why I want to be careful and not jump the gun. If we get a price higher than 101,310 on the smaller time frame, then I would start to be more bullish. If we ever able to do something like that, if I can count this as a 1, yeah, this could be clearly an ABC. The problem is I can also count this as a 1, 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. So that's why I'm, you know, realistically careful. You know, so this is a 1, this is a 2. We would need a very nice third wave and a very nice ratio for a third wave, and then a fourth and a fifth. If we can do that, then I will shift my my scenarios more onto the bullish momentum side, and for the moment I'm not there yet. So let's see what price should it reach to have something more substantial. So 1-to-1 ratio, let me actually, you know what, let me do that here. Let me add the 1-to-1 ratio. There you go. Okay, so 1-to-1 ratio, very important, and this is why 96, 745, 97,000. We have the MA55 here, so it's really an area between 97,000 and 98,500 to round it up. This is very possible that the price is going to find resistance there and get rejected. But if you manage somehow to break out and reach minimally, I would say 102, 130, or even better if you can go 105, then I have a case to say, okay, you know what? Price is start to reach a nice level, a bullish one. I mean, if it goes to the 1.618, then this would be amazing, and this could be a third wave, but we still would need a fourth and a fifth to completely shift. And actually, I just want to check out here. I want to add the two, you know, a few levels higher. Okay, so would we have 5-way up and doing that and reaching higher than 100k, it would be bullish. But if we go, we must, I don't want to say must, but we need to reach at least 102, I said, right? 105 would be better, and here we would have like kind of a confluence with this potential B wave. But the is, if we can do that in 5 ways, then I can discard the B wave, because B wave cannot be 5-way up. All right, so yeah, this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Hopefully I'm clear enough. I am bullish, but short term I'm more looking forward for a lower low. We're missing a leg down, and I need 5-way up and reaching a certain level to invalidate and make it not anymore my first scenario that we're going to go and form this lower low for this 5th wave, which would close this C wave in blue. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye!